What's going on, Deep Dive Spear Crew? Brock here, working again on the 1973 222. Yesterday, I came up and unscrewed some of my clamping boards, and I had a little bit of a gap here, and so I took polyester resin and chop strand, wetted it out, and took a popsicle stick, stuck it down, stuck it into those holes right there, trying to fill those gaps. And today, I've got another 1/2-inch piece of Cusa that I'm going to laminate onto this 1.5-inch piece, so that I'll have a nice thick transom to hang a 29 or 30-inch bracket off back here. So here we go, stay with us. So what I got going on here is on my bow, this piece of plywood core has rotted significantly, and so instead of trying to get down inside, I'll try to give you a shot of it here. Trying to get down up in there. Instead of getting up, trying to get down there and work off of my back, what I'm going to do is cut this out. Pop this piece of, pop the top piece off right here and just take and pull this rotten board out, and then cut a new piece of coring or piece of Cusa or maybe another piece of plywood and put that back in there and just retab this back on. I think that's the most efficient way to do it. So here we go. So I got under there and measured where the coring actually was, and it's about 2 inches from the edge right here. So I cut a 2.5-inch block. And so what I'll do is put it right here on this rub rail, put it right there, and I'm going to trace a line using my Sharpie, using that as an edge all the way around, and that'll give me a line to take my Dremel and cut along so I can pop this cap off.